Hey guys, are you looking for a quick and easy way to add hashtags to your Instagram reels and post? In this short step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to do it. I'll walk you through the process of adding hashtags after posting your reel, ensuring that your content reaches to intended audience. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. So to get started, you simply have to open up the Instagram mobile application. Once you are on your Instagram mobile application, you simply have to tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Of your Instagram, go over to the Reels tabs by tapping on the reel icon. And after that, select the reel to which you want to add hashtags. Once you have selected the reel, then tap on the three little dots at the right corner of the screen. After that, tap on manage, then tap on edit. After that, just tap on your caption and go ahead and enter any hashtags you want. Simply tap on the hashtag icon, then start typing whatever you want. Once you have typed in your hashtags, tap done at the top right corner of the screen to save the changes. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.